Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Join me as I dive into the world of Instant Pots and uncover the best models of 2024. From speedy cooking to versatile functions, I'll help you find the perfect Instant Pot to revolutionize your cooking game. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro. This is the top choice for versatile cooking, replacing 10 kitchen appliances like pressure cookers, slow cookers, and rice cookers. With 28 cooking modes and a version that includes air frying, Instant Pot Pro Crisp, it's a powerful multi-cooker. We love the 5 customizable buttons for saving favorite settings, and the stovetop-compatible inner pot with handles for easy table service. The steam release switch is among the safest and quietest we've tested. However, it lacks a recipe book or cooking charts, so some experimentation is needed. Additionally, the steaming rack may let small vegetables fall through, requiring an extra accessory. Overall, it's user-friendly and produces excellent meals. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Plus. This Instant Pot offers great value with its blend of functionality and affordability, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. It features multiple cooking modes and presets, but its standout safety feature is the easy steam release switch, eliminating the need to handle hot valves. Available in various sizes, the Duo Plus caters to different household needs. However, it has fewer presets compared to other models and lacks air fryer functionality. Despite these limitations, it delivers impressive results for dishes like rice, Thai curry, and chili, making it a solid option for those looking for a reliable, cost-effective multi-cooker. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro Plus. This is the premium Instant Pot model, priced at $199.95. It shines with smart app functionality, allowing smartphone control and access to over 1,400 recipes. This extensive recipe library is a major advantage, helping users find creative ways to use ingredients on hand. It features 10 cooking functions, including a NutriBoost setting that locks in vitamins and enhances flavor, and excels in fast pressure cooking. Its sleek design and ability to cook up to 6 portions make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. With a dishwasher-safe stainless steel pot and impressive smart features, it's a worthwhile investment for those who can leverage its advanced capabilities. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Max 15-in-1 SmartLid Multi-Cooker. This pot expands on traditional Instant Pot features by adding air frying, grilling, broiling, and dehydrating capabilities. It includes a steam function for air frying and a built-in thermometer, making it excellent for cooking steak and other dishes to perfection. In our tests, it performed well across various dishes, from beef chili to fries, thanks to its large capacity, which is great for feeding a crowd. However, its bulkiness can take up significant countertop space. Unlike some Instant Pots, it lacks preset programs, so you'll need to use the provided cooking charts, which are detailed and useful for guiding your cooking. Number 5. Breville the Fast Slow Pro, known as Sage the Fast Slow Pro in the UK, stands out for its sleek brushed stainless steel design, making it one of the more stylish multi-cookers available. It's user-friendly, featuring 6 cooking functions with presets for dishes like stew, risotto, and rice, or allowing manual adjustments for precise cooking. In our tests, the Fast Slow Pro delivered tender meat and well-cooked vegetables and rice without making them soggy. However, it requires a screwdriver to remove the hinged lid for cleaning and has a minimum 1-quart 1-liter capacity, which can be limiting for smaller quantities. So, which Instant Pot reigns supreme? After thorough testing and comparison, the Instant Pot Duo Plus emerges as the clear winner. Its combination of features, affordability, and reliability makes it the best choice for most home cooks. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these models and what you think.